Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for WordPress. We'll cover the essential steps to streamline your web design process. Figma offers a collaborative environment to craft stunning visuals, while WordPress provides a robust platform for your site. By designing first in Figma, you ensure a cohesive look and feel, saving valuable development time and achieving a professional online presence. This guide will help you integrate these two powerful tools seamlessly. Now, let's dive into designing your WordPress site within Figma. Start by creating a new file and organizing your pages using frames for each unique layout. Think about reusable components such as navigation bars, call-to-action buttons, and content blocks. Developing a clear design system with consistent typography, colors, and spacing will ensure your website looks polished and professional across all pages. This structured approach makes future updates much easier. Once your design is complete, the next crucial step is exporting assets for WordPress. Export vector graphics like logos and icons as SVG files for scalability, and use PNG or JPEG for raster images, optimizing them for web use. Clearly document design specifications, including fonts, colors, and spacing, for your development team. Consider using Figma plugins that can help extract CSS properties, making the handoff process smoother and more efficient for implementation. Finally, it's time to bring your Figma design to life in WordPress. Select a suitable WordPress theme or a flexible page builder like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Recreate your Figma layouts by dragging and dropping blocks or elements, matching the design specifications precisely. Upload all your exported images and icons to the WordPress media library. Remember to test your site's responsiveness on different screen sizes to ensure a flawless user experience across all devices.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.